Hello kids! Are you ready for a fun veggie adventure? Today we're going to learn the names of 20 yummy vegetables. Number 1, carrot. It's orange and crunchy. Bunnies love it. Repeat it with me. Carrot, carrot, carrot. Number 2, tomato. It's red and juicy. Say it with me. Tomato, tomato, tomato. Number 3, potato. You can mash it, fry it, or bake it. Let's say, potato, potato, potato. Number 4, broccoli. It looks like tiny green trees. Say it with me. Broccoli, broccoli, broccoli. Number 5, eggplant. It's purple and shiny. Repeat after me. Eggplant, eggplant, eggplant. Number 6, corn. It's yellow and sweet and turns into popcorn. Say it loud. Corn, corn, corn. Number 7, onion. Sometimes it makes you cry, but it's tasty. Let's say it. Onion, onion, onion. Number 8, cabbage. Big, leafy, and green. Say it with me. Cabbage, cabbage, cabbage. Number 9, cucumber. Cool and crunchy. Repeat after me. Cucumber, cucumber, cucumber. Number 10, bell pepper. Red, yellow, or green, and sweet too. Let's say, bell pepper, bell pepper, bell pepper. Awesome job. We're halfway there. High five. Let's keep going. Number 11, sweet potato. It's sweet and delicious. Say it with me. Sweet potato, sweet potato, sweet potato. Number 12, lettuce. It makes your salad crispy and green. Repeat after me. Lettuce, lettuce, lettuce. Number 13, peas. Little green balls of fun. Say it with me. Peas, peas, peas. Number 14, zucchini. It looks like a cucumber, but it's not. Say it loud. Zucchini, zucchini, zucchini. Number 15, garlic. Small, strong, and full of flavor. Repeat after me. Garlic, garlic, garlic. Number 16, chili. Watch out, it can be spicy. Let's say, chili, chili, chili. Number 17, spinach. It makes you strong, just like Popeye. Say it with me. Spinach, spinach, spinach. Number 18, cauliflower. White and fluffy, like broccoli's cousin. Repeat after me. Cauliflower, cauliflower, cauliflower. Number 19, radish. It's crunchy and colorful. Say it loud. Radish, radish, radish. And number 20, pumpkin. It's super green and super healthy. Say it with me. Pumpkin, pumpkin, pumpkin.